welcome to Business Standard's Morning Bulletin. Today we tell you how soon there could be a respite for air travelers as the CCI is set to regulate airfares in India. Ticket pricing by airlines is set to come under scrutiny, with the Civil Aviation Ministry roping in antitrust watchdog Competition Commission of India to keep in check indiscriminate airfare increases in domestic aviation. The ministry, which will soon make operational an economic cell to monitor domestic airlines' pricing mechanism, is looking at forwarding reports to CCI to take corrective action in the event of discrepancies in airfares. Civil Aviation Minister Ajit Singh said that the airfare monitoring cell is ready and will soon be commissioned under the aegis of the ministry. The economic cell would analyze data on tickets sold by airlines under different price buckets and make the information public to bring in transparency in airfare pricing. In case there are discrepancies, it would be referred to CCI. He clarified the ministry would not attempt to regulate fares and would allow airlines to determine fares based on market dynamics. However, if discrepancies surface in ticket prices from an analysis of data by the economic cell, it would be reported to CCI for commensurate evaluation and action. The ministry would also assess data on all the tickets sold by different carriers under various price brackets and then analyze the data to give an indication of exactly how many tickets were sold under each price slab. The airfare monitoring cell will help keep in check random increases in fares and predatory pricing in the aviation industry by making it mandatory for airlines to disclose data on fuel charge and taxes being levied on tickets. This will help the government keep a tab on the correlation between seats available, prices offered, taxes levied, and the final pricing of air tickets to consumers. Senior ministry officials said though airlines claim to follow a dynamic pricing model, at present there was no mechanism to know whether the tickets in the lower price band has been sold or not. Besides, there were no set criteria to determine the price bands under which tickets were sold. The economic regulator would closely monitor the parameters in ticket pricing, they added. Currently, there is no regulatory mechanism to monitor pricing mechanism of airlines. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation asks airlines to disclose the components in airfare structure on receiving complaints of predatory pricing, but does not have the power to take corrective action. That is all we have for now. Thank you and join us again in the afternoon for more news.